Today I'm going to show you how you can write your own custom CSS code and put that code on your WordPress website by custom CSS, and you can basically design anything which are showing here. As you can see, I have designed this box shadow, this box with border radius, and here the search box I have designed the menu bar or the header of the site, and of course I can design all the boxes with a background box shadow like this one, so it will look more beautiful. So let's do it. And if I have written the course here, but if I refresh here, you will see everything will be gone. Yeah, as you can see, everything is gone now, everything is clear now, it's looking good now. But this is what I did before, but so it will not going to go anywhere. So if I open customize here, let's let this guy load a little bit here, and we can say like we will try to design design the search bar again with a background shadow, because this is not looking clear in front of in this page, because we can only see the search, but I just want to make it more visible. So for doing this, I have to click the right button of my mouse and go inspect, and click this one here, this option here, and I can hover on it. So as long as you are hovering on this one, you will find this one. And here as I can see that this is the import search bar, and if I go up, this is the okay, this is the form. And if I go to the section, okay, this is a section made already, so I want to edit this section, and I just click to section, and here this is the HTML and this is the CSS. So I want to design it by my custom CSS, so this is the field for me where I can write my custom code. So let's get into it. If I click to write like border, I want to give it a border, and press enter. Say 1 pixel solid. As you can see, already it has a border now, but I don't want this border to be black, I just want it to be white. Okay, so the border is gone again because the everything is in this page is white. So for viewing the border, we can say like box shadow, which I like, I really like a lot. We can say 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixels, and 1 pixels. So as you can see, something has changed here, but it will not remain like this. I want to change it for this one. If we scroll up, this is nothing happening here. If we scroll down, okay, as you can see here, this is the spreading. So let's keep it like 1, and this is the blur one. So it's looking good now. Let's go to 5, 6, 7. Let's keep it 5, and this one is the vertical. No, this is horizontal one, so we can put it like this one, and this is the vertical one, so it will go to the right more and more. And if I click like 0 pixels here, and keep it 7, and we can make it 4, 5, 4 here. Okay, now as you can see here, this is looking really nice now. So we can anyone here can see it like a card, or you can do search here. So but if I click refresh here, this is not going to be saved. For saving it, I have to just copy the code I have written, say copy, and find the ID of this section. So this is the section and this is the ID called search file. So if I go to the page here, this is the customization here, and click additional CSS, and this is the category of box shadow here for the categories, and let's ignore it and let's go 2 lines down, and we have to put a hashtag for the ID, and the ID was something like search 5, if I am right. Yeah, search 5, and I have to just press shift and second brackets, so it will give me 2 brackets, and press enter, and we can paste the ID here, paste the custom CSS here. So if I scroll down, you will see that the uh, box has changed now. So if I click CTRL-Z, this is gone. If I click CTRL-V, this is again here. So if I click publish, you will see that if I even refresh it, this is not going to go anywhere. Okay, so I have finally designed this one, and now we can go for these guys are already fine with blue uh, borders up there, but we can design this one again with less border radius, so we can say like 3 border radius. So we have already here, let's say border radius, let's just scroll down first. As you can see here, let's go border radius 3, and it's looking good. If I say no border radius, this is looking more good now, but let's keep it like 3 pixels. So let's click publish. Okay, so last thing I will like to do is I will try for the box here. As you can see, we have 3 boxes here. We can do these boxes like this one. So if I click inspect again and try to get this, let's get this one here. As you can see, this is the post content. I need to click with the okay, this is the article. This is shown as article, not as a section. Articles. Okay, this is the article, and if I search for the ID, this is post. Okay, let's style this element here. If I say let's style this element, if I say like border 1 pixel solid, yeah, this is happening as you can see. But if I go down a little bit, okay, we want to design this one. If I say border 1 pixel solid, yeah, this is also happening. So we can say like solid red, and I just want to continue with this one because I have to test it first, and the class was block post lay. So let's go down here and say dot block post lay. Let's check it again, block post lay, and second brackets, and let's say this one. Okay, this is working. As you can see, every border is red right now. Well, so what we can do, we can just edit from here now. If I say white, nothing is going to change here. And if I say again like box shadow, 5 pixels, 4 pixels, 6 pixels, and minus 3 pixels. Wow, this is looking good now. So I want to make it more visible, so I can say like border radius, and I can give it 3 pixels. What if 7 pixels? Okay, no, 5 pixel will be okay for these guys, or let's keep it 3 and just publish it. As you can see, nothing is here, but if I refresh this, everything will change here. Okay, so now let's take a look. Wow, this is not something looking really good because the lines are not the same, so we should remove this one. That was not a good idea. Okay, so let's publish it again and they will be like okay, and everything's fine. So this is the method how you can edit anything or put your custom css on your WordPress website by by this additional css option. So thank you for watching this video. I hope